Hello everyone, so this is my first mini vlog. My name is Megha and I'm a cabin crew. यूनिफॉर्म देख के तो आप सभी को पता चल ही गया होगा that I'm a cabin crew at Air India. In my vlogs, you will get to know so many things about a cabin crew life. Also, you will get a glimpse of a life of a cabin crew. Also, you will get to know about so many things regarding this profession. Till then, keep watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, I'll be meeting you daily. Bye bye.